Okay, we will now working on a lab exercise so-called working with Amazon EBS Snapshot。咁我哋玩呢個叫 Snapshot 啦，and just click on the lab here, and you will prop up the window. Home suppose look like that, and click on modules, and click on the Snapshot lab. Then you will got the prop up. 咁啊，照住撳啦。咁啊，now is you start the lab and then wait for the infrastructure to create the EC2 for you, and then we will start continue the lab. 咁我哋等起啲嘢先。But the overview of this exercise is that you will have two server. And the server one, you will have a hard drive volume there, EBS volume there, and then you put some file there, and then you take the snapshot, and then you create a new volume, and then attach recovery. Suppose it's this asset recovery. Oh, the server is down, the data is lost. From the snapshot, you create the volume again, and then mount it to another server. 咁其實個 lab 個內容就係你基本上就係有兩部機，一部機就係擺啲翻落去，有隻 hard disk 咁啊 back up 啦。咁 take 個 snapshot back up 之後咧，你就會將個 snapshot 變翻隻 volume，再擺落第二部機度睇翻。咁啊做到尾佢就會話做埋自動掹咁樣。Okay, let's wait for a moment so for the lab to become the ready status. Okay, the lab is ready. Just close and click on AWS. 咁啊 ready 咗撳 AWS 啦。Now we have the AWS consoles here. We go to EC2. 咁我哋去 EC2 啦。Here is got the EC2 icon, or type here. You are also got the icon. 咁我哋去 EC2。Now you should find two server. I think since you go to instance. 咁我去 instance 啦，即係啲 server 啦。Server 1, server 2. Okay, and we need to now we connect to the server 1. Click on server 1 and then click connect. 咁啊揀到 server 1咁 connect. We use the latest method is instant connect to connect to the server through the browser. 咁啊就咁喺個 Chrome 度，咁啊就咁 connect 就算啦。Okay, we will go to a data folder. We'll 睇睇 data folder 有個 important file 嚟嘅 important data here。咁啊有個 important data 喺呢個 folder 度。Control Shift V。Okay, Control Shift V. You find a file here is a data. 咁有個 data file 喺度啦。Then we should find this one and then we read the content。咁我哋 cat 個 content 啦，睇下內容啦。Control Shift V. This is important information， 係咪緊要資料啦？Okay, we found the file here. We now do back up the volume and just connect the instance through console. Okay. The instance here, connect and cancel here. It doesn't matter. You just have the console is not a problem. 咁其實佢話叫你刪咁就刪都冇所謂。Okay. Now we go to the let's continue. 咁我哋咧就揾 storage. Okay, go to EC server 1 and you need to check your volume here. 咁我哋揾到 server 1啦。咁其實你而家要揾翻 hard disk 啊。You scroll down, you should see something. The volume is the disk for this server. And okay. Here is the VPC IP and storage here. Sorry, storage here. Yeah, you click on storage. Yeah, we go to the storage tab and then check the volume ID of the data drive. Okay， 咁其實咧我哋就會有個 data 嘅 hard disk 嘅。咁其實呢度咧 you should find two drive. One is the operation system. One is the data drive. And then this is according to the lab the F drive, so you got the XVDF device is the data drive. We found the file is here. 咁我哋咧呢個咧就係個 data disk 嚟，咁我哋要 click 呢個。You just need to click on the volume ID, and then you navigate from the instance to the volume here. And this is the volume in for the data. Click on it. 咁佢其實咧你冇你咁啊。由個 insert favorite volume， 咁你揀翻佢之後，你就睇到真係有啲 detail 啦。You click on you select it and then take the action to create a snapshot. Just double check the steps should be here. Find the volume and then create snapshot. create snapshot，咁啊揾到個碟你就 create snapshot，冇揀錯碟，冇揀咗個 boot 機 Linux 喎，don't select the wrong volume, otherwise you will back up the Linux. And we give a name here. Suppose you should provide a meaningful name is server run backup. Otherwise, you will not be able to edit it. And then if you got many snapshot, you will very confusing. 咁其實咧，你就一定要俾個名佢，咁咪就好混亂嘅。Okay, and just description here, and we'll create a snapshot. The server can still running. Don't worry about it. So you can create snapshot during the server is running. 咁其實部機行緊，你可以照 take snapshot. Okay. Now we go to the snapshot here. 咁啊揀 snapshot 啦，即係 volume 入邊 snapshot 啦。Use have only one snapshot in your account. 咁啊得一個，咁啊而家 planning is preparing to creation，但係 should be very fast。咁應該好快嘅。又 refresh 啦，就係 planning 啦。But you need to wait for it until the step become available. Yeah. 不過等到佢變 available 先。Okay. I think a few minutes maybe. I just push the video here. Okay. Oh, less than 2 minutes. It's completed. Now the volume is available and completed. It means that it's not have already prepared, and you can click on it, and you can create volume from the snapshot. 咁其實有個 backup 之後就有咗 backup 嘅 snapshot 入變翻個 volume，即係變翻碟啦。咁 but you need to make sure about the output zone，OK？咁你記得最緊要睇 output zone 嚇。And since the snapshot is in SB, it is multiple, it is course output zone, but the volume is in single output zone。咁其實咧 snapshot 就擺 SV。咁啊，但係你要 create 嘛 volume 就變翻要揀 A set 啦，個 A set 就不能夠唔同個意思度。The output zone for the volume must be the same as the output zone of the instance. And so I need to go back to double check the server 2, click on server 2, and then you need to figure out is output zone from the properties view here, or just go here, you will find it's a zone A. Yeah, it's in zone A, and so we will create the volume in upper zone A。咁我哋咧就 A 嚟嘅，咁就係要 create 翻個 volume 係 A 啦。Okay, now we go to the snapshot and select the volume, select the snapshot here, and then take the action create volume from snapshot。咁啊 create 個 volume。咁you can choose different type of this, but the size might be the same or bigger, larger than the snapshot。咁snapshot 你一定係最少同即係你個 size 唔可能細過個 backup 嘅，咁都可以較大啲。Okay, just follow the default one, or not default one. This is the older version, and 8 GB. And zone A is important, otherwise you will not be able to mount it。咁zone A 好緊要啊，因為你 attach 唔到落去啦嚇。咁add an additional tag so that you can have a name here, name tag, but just follow it since it's uppercase, okay, in uppercase. And otherwise you will not be able to read the name from the screen。咁呢個 trick 嚟嘅，因為佢好衰嘅，名你冇名啊嘛。咁但係你就用個 tag 去做咯。咁create the volume and just go to the volumes. And you find that if you forget to tag it, you will not see this name here。你如果你唔記得 tag 個 name 咧，咁你就冇名啦。咁呢個係一啲傻傻地，不過you can check it out. This is from which snapshot of creation. Here you will got the snapshot ID. Yeah, but you still find is available。咁其實因為新嘅冇人用就叫 available，黐落部機就 in use 咯。So it's still easy, even though you forget to put the name, or you still to be able to find it. It's because of this volume is free, no server is attached to it. Now you select this one，咁揀咗佢 ，take the action, and suppose it should be mount, so-called attach or mount. So attach into the EC2 instance. We here attach volume to instance server 2. And remember this one, you should change the setting here is but this is okay, the correct one is F. Okay, and double check is important, otherwise you will not able to follow the next step.咁你其實咧你就揀啱部機，然後咧你喺 Linux 世界入邊咧，你會見到呢個 device man，咁就 Windows 都好多見 device man，咁其實你電咗落去之後，你就會喺機入邊見翻呢度，但係有時會轉嘅，你小心啲，因為有啲 Linux 會 rename 嗰個 device 嘅。Just a warning, some Linux may rename the device for you inside the EC2. Okay, attach, and you go to the instance again and select the server 2, make sure server 2, and then click on connect, and similar step connect. Okay, we have done this one, and you will need to check about that you found the drive is not here. 咁我哋咧就試下睇下佢 Control Shift V. You should not find it. Yeah, 你唔會見到嘅。OK. Yes, it's making sense. Is you just put the ROM here, but it physically is connected, but you didn't mount it in the Linux. 咁喺 Linux 世界你要 mount 噶嘛？咁其實 USB 咧，其實你插 USB 手指佢自動 mount 啫。咁 but for USB stick is automatically to mount it for you. But for this volume from this will not be doing this way. And going to the command again, let's check the list block. It means the mount point. And 我哋揾咗呢個 command 睇下啲 mount point 啦。You will see the A here, F here, but there's no mount point. None, so there's a reason why it does not exist. 因為冇 mount point 唔會啦。咁啊，we first of all we need to restore the EBS volume. We need to run this command to link it. Okay, to link it. 咁啊要用呢個 command 去 restore 啦。咁你其實就整個 folder 就 mount。Had a file system, let's check the format. Okay, this one will check the format. 咁啊，其實睇個格式嘅，你要睇file 或 S 睇個格式。咁啊，Control Shift V，咁你見到其實一個 format 咗個 disk 啊。You see the Linux file system. This most important is the ext4. You see the format is supported by the Linux, and you find the block size and ID. Doesn't matter. Most important is the extension floor. Okay. Let's create a folder called data. 咁我整個 folder 叫 data 啦。And then we mount this device to the folder. 咁我哋就 mount 佢落去。Go to the mount the device to the we need to use the sudo. 咁你要 root level 先可以 mount 嘢。And now we can check the file again. And mkdir okay. To mount the wood whatever you say. This one is different, I think. The one okay, you don't need to run this one. 咁其實咧呢個唔關事嘅，呢個其實話如果你 mount 個 OS 嘅 root volume，咁其實就會咁就要用呢一個 command 去做。But we supposed to find the file here. 咁啊貼呢個啦。Yes, the file recovered from server 1 to server 2. Okay, the lab exercise here should be finished nearly finished. Last task is we want to automatically mount the volume. You don't want to run this command all the time. 咁我哋唔想話每一次開機都要打呢個 mount 呢個 command 嘅。OK， 唔想做呢樣嘢。咁就我哋啦，咁我哋就會係create create the update the config so that it will mount automatically. First of all, we back up the config file, so-called fs tab. 咁啊 fs tab 我哋就係嗰個 config 啲 drive 嗰個 auto mount 嗰個 setup file 嚟嘅。咁啊 back up 先 ，create a backup, and then we modify it. We just use nano, not using vi. You should read nano is easier for you to using it, and just go down to the new line. 咁我去到新一行啦 and then you copy this command. This is something, this some setting. You see the field is a device, mount on, file system, and some default option. You just throw general backup or whatever. Just copy this one. 咁我哋 copy 呢個咧就係加一行喺底啦。 and Control Shift V. Okay, we just have this one, and it's just the format is for the format is you see that, but this does not matter to have space between this. Okay, 因為個 space 喺中間得啦，唔使 tab 嘅。And we need to close this Control X, Shift Right and Enter, or just follow the screen to exit it. 咁我離開啦，Control X, Control X, and then you need to save yes, right, and then enter to confirm it. And the setting is done. If you want to try, we will see the mount point. 咁我哋再睇呢個 comment 睇下 set 唔 set 到，咁你 auto mount 或 A mean the it don't have error here. Oh, so you can try reboot the server and you will find the royal mount automatically. 咁啊，其實咧，你如果想再試咧，你試下 reboot，咁其實佢就會又會揾得翻個 file。如果唔係咧，如果你唔做呢個 step 咧，你 reboot 就冇，要打到要 reboot 你又要自己要手動做呢個咯。咁啊，基本係咁咯。咁但係如果 root file system 咧就有啲特別嘢嘅，因為 root file system 嗰個 UID 你要知嘅啊。OK，with this level finish, as usual, you need to log out and then just log out, just end the lab, finish.